These types of next-generation technology channels are very rare, and the income potential is very high, and you can produce these videos in a very simple way. No camera, no face, just AI. In this video, we show you exactly how to produce it in full detail. And we're giving you the free prompt. But first, let's start by going to Gemini. I created this gem specifically for this content that you've seen. We start the chat by typing start and answer the questions it asks us about content production. Based on our answers, we receive 2 image scene generation and 1 video production prompt for this content. To access the gem and the prompt, you can join our Telegram group's Master Prompts room via the link in the description. We take our first image prompt and go to the OpenArt website. To create our image on OpenArt, we click on the Create Image tool in the side menu, and in the panel that opens, we first select Nano Banana 2 as the image generation model. We paste the prompt we copied into the prompt section, and after selecting the output settings as 9:16 vertical format and 1K resolution, we press the Generate button to create our first scene image. This is how our first scene looks. After saving our image, we go to the Edit Image tool in the side menu to achieve a seamless similarity in our second scene. We go back to Gemini and copy our second image prompt and return to OpenArt. After dragging and dropping our first scene image into the reference image section, we paste the prompt we copied into the prompt section, select Nano Banana 2 as the generation model again, and click the Generate button. This is how our second scene looks. After producing our second image, we move on to the video production stage. For this, we select the Frame to Video tool from the side menu, and in the panel that opens, we first select Google Veo 3.1 as the video production model. We drag our first image into the Start Frame section and our second image into the End Frame section. We go back to Gemini one more time and copy our video prompt and paste it into the video prompt section on OpenArt. We make sure the video audio is on and select Fast Mode as the video production mode. Finally, we set the output options to 9:16 vertical, 720p resolution in 8 seconds and click the Generate button to produce our video. Throughout the production process, you can use higher quality resolution and production models based on your budget. Of course, most importantly, make sure to create original and effort-driven content in line with YouTube's strict policies on this type of content. Otherwise, keep in mind that you may not be able to sustain your presence on YouTube for long. Here's what our finished video looks like. If you want to improve your content production and editing skills, join our free communities via the link in the description. There you can connect with like-minded creators, and together we can build the largest content creation community in the world. If you enjoyed the content, leave a like. It means a lot to us. Drop your content requests and suggestions in the comments. We read every single one. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.